Greetings. Today we're going to talk about the benchmark testing of my backup beeper. So I have taken a couple files and used the GarageBand program to cut them down to size, remix them so that they're perfect for the Rocinante when it is backing up. We want people to know this big ship is backing up, and we are going to bench test it now before we go to the big install. So this video is just going to be the bench testing process. We'll get our negative conductor on. Red to green. Okay, that's working. So load wire for negative is black. Okay. So now let's just run through them. Red and white. Red and brown. Red and yellow. So loud. Single chime, green and white. Oh, this thing's gonna be great. All right, here we go. Now to test the new tracks. Got a new mood. Melody is Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Red, green, yellow. So we need our green and our yellow. All right, let's do track 8. And that is that. We are ready for the next part of our install process, so stick around to see more of that. In any case, that is all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you around.